If you're an ecom brand, then you need to watch the next couple of minutes of this video because I'm going to be giving away some A/B tests that I would be running on any ecom brand to boost their revenue per session. Be sure to stick around to the product page at the very end because there's some massive tests and uplifts to be had on this brand. This is episode number 76 of Optimization by Oliver. I'm Oliver Kenyon, co-founder of ConversionWise, and for the last 12 years, I've had an unhealthy obsession with all things CRO. Let's get straight into the test ideas. So as you can see, I picked Everlane, the clothing brand, and you can see a before design, which they currently run, their control, and the after design, which is the design I would be testing or A/B testing against their control to uplift their revenue per visitor. And we start with the home page. Test number one is more of a visual change above the fold. We've just picked this nice picture of this lady and supported it with number two, which is social proof. Yes, this brand is huge. Yes, everyone knows who they are, but they can always benefit from social proof. Add those stars, tell the world how many happy customers you have, and I guarantee you will benefit from it. Number three, we've added a clear benefit-driven headline and sub-headline that just hits hard with the consumer. And number four, we've gone for a clear call to action. As you can see before, they have multiple call to actions. They're kind of white on a white background. You can't really see them. You're not really enticed to click them. So we've gone for a contrasting color, full width, one clear call to action with a directional cue, and we're taking people straight to the best sellers. Moving on to the cart drawer, cart slider, whatever you want to call it, there's some magic to be made here. One thing that these guys can do to really boost the average order value is gamify the whole free shipping or free gifting mechanism. We do that by adding this at the top of the cart. It entices people to add more into their cart to qualify for free shipping or a free gift. And as I always say, that gift doesn't have to cost you guys much money. It can be a low ticket item. It can even be something that's free. That goes hand in hand with number two, which is the in-cart upsell supported by some social proof. As you can see on the before side, these guys have a huge section within their cart that's not being utilized. If you've got space, add some social proof in there. Better yet, have a testimonial that actually handles an objection within that cart. For example, if people often say to your support team, we don't know how long delivery takes, have a testimonial that says the delivery was fast and efficient. And number three, we've just gone for another clear call to action supported by those trust payment seals, and it's going to get more people clicking through to the checkout and less people abandoning. Moving on to the all-important and exciting product page changes, and I think this is where these guys can actually have the biggest uplift. And we start with number one. So we've gone for a 1-to-1 ratio with the image. We pulled everything up, and when it comes to fashion, when it comes to apparel, people think they need these huge long images. That's not true. As long as your images do your product justice, you can see them, and you have the zoom functionality. This is absolutely the way you should do this. We've got the little chevrons either side so people know they can scroll through. We then have the thumbnails underneath so people have a better usability experience, can click through those images and see more images of the product. We then have laced that with some social proof. Again, just making more of it. Before they just had the reviews and the amount. Now we tell people how many happy customers we have. We then have the product images on selection versus product color swatches. So the guys at Everlane use color swatches. I would encourage them to test actually using images within those small circles because people then can visualize exactly what changes when it comes to the color. They can click them, then the image above changes as well. And we've also, by reducing that image, been able to get all of the important elements above the fold when it comes to product size select and the all-important call to action button. Speaking of call to actions, maybe it's time you took action on your store. If you'd like my company to boost your overall revenue with CRO, get in touch at ConversionWise.com or simply click the link below the video, book in a free consultation, and I can't wait to see you in the very next breakdown.